Well, I've got this portable little wireless charger, and I've had this for a long time. Actually, my old boss got it for me as a Christmas gift many years ago, and it's worked great. You know, you just kind of set your phone on it, and it's also got a whole bunch of little adapters. You got one looks like for an iPhone. It's got all these ports in here. This thing on this end, and then on the other end, got a USB A and the old connector here. So, a little button here that you would hit that would activate the pad. As you can see, it shows 0%. And the problem I got is you can charge this up to 100%, and in like 2 seconds, when you're done, it'll just be drained. So I think the lithium batteries or whatever that's inside of here, they're toast. And I guess you could just throw it out and get another one. They're cheap enough, I'd imagine. But I thought, well, why not just try and open it up and see what's inside, and maybe we can order some new batteries and replace them. I have no idea. I've not seen anybody try to do something like this, so I guess we can see what we can do. And just looking at it here, there's a seam that kind of runs right along here. I opened both sides of this up. I'd imagine there's going to be some glue here. As I try to pry with my fingers, you can see that little gap forming there. I can't imagine they really want you. Okay, this part is lifting off. Yeah, and then this seam kind of runs along here. I think this top seam is what we're after. As you can look inside there. I don't know if there's glue. I don't know if we heat this up and then try and pry that. You can see right there, you get a little bit. Maybe I can run a spudger in there. Those might be clips. So I can see that. I don't know. We're probably going to break it as we do this, but I thought it could be fun. Why not? Why not give it a shot? Okay, I got a whole bunch of these little spudgers from working on the phones and things. Let's see. Maybe on these flat ones we can. It might just be clips. But, we don't know where the clips are, so I'm sure we're going to break things. Okay, I can see the clips here. Way, there we go. Okay, I think I broke one clip, but I think the others are intact as we went through here. I think. Maybe we broke a couple more. But it looks like there's two good ones here. Maybe we could still use. I think that worked okay. Oh boy. See? If I can kind of push it that way and up, that might relieve the clips, because if the other side's like these ones, they're kind of like, coming down in and clipping. So pushing it out, let's see. Okay. Already feel the relief on it there. lifting. You can see them. Let's see, we're breaking some, but we're keeping others. As long as we've got enough. So that'll still clamp. I'll be okay with that. Okay. Whew, we did it. There we go. Wow, look at that big battery that we've got here. And then this is going to be the wireless. This is how it projects out the power. So that's interesting. Is that glued on there? Is we've got to get this pad lifted out of here somehow. I'd imagine it's just glued to it, to the battery. Cool. I think we got it. All right. That's good. And now we've got to get this battery out of here somehow. If this is like the cell phones, these can really be in here in a tough way, because there's usually tape at the bottom. I'm trying to do this without disturbing all of the little boards here. I also don't want to break the plastic case. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Good. Good. All right. Now let's take a look and see. Okay. So now we can see there's the red and black connected up here to the circuit board. That's in there. So I'm wondering if we've got to take this out. And how does this come out? Will it slide down? Okay. Let's see what we broke. Did we break anything? Okay, we got a clip here, clip here. Those are still intact. One clip here. Yeah. And maybe everything's intact. Okay, and there's our display. Very cool. All right. There's that one. And there's that one. There we go. Let's try to get this board out at the same time as this rubber. There we go. All right. We're good. Wonderful. Okay. I just wonder if we should desolder it on the battery. I don't know how the new battery is going to come. You know, we could maybe keep it on the board. And you can see the Kapton tape here is covering up these. See this here? I'm just going to try and pull away. There we go. There's one. Easy peasy. One more to go. There we go. There's the second one. All right. Okay, and now this battery should be detached. And so now we'll take a look at the readings on here and see if we can look this thing up and maybe get a replacement. So if it's not too bad, we'll do that and replace this thing. All right, we've got the new battery came, so let's just opening this up. These batteries, they come in multiple sizes, so if you're looking on like AliExpress to get one of these, make sure you check the dimensions. It's a big one here, so I think I got the right size. Let's see. Oh, this one's got the wires on it. Hope that won't be a problem. Oh, ribbon things here. Okay, so I think it looks like we got the right size. That matches. That should fit in good. Alright, well, you know, since the old one did not have a battery protection circuit board, I'm thinking we're just going to take it off of here because it may be built into the circuit board here within. So I think that's going to be what I do. Let's just try to make it as much the same as the old one as possible. So if we mess up, then we mess up. All right, let's get some heat on this and see if it just kind of pops off or what's going to happen with this. Well, I'm nervous touching this all of a sudden. There it goes. Okay. Oh, got the one side. A little better that one side's off of it. Now we can work on the other. There, finally. Oh, just gotta really rip that thing off of there, don't we? You can see there's like two tiny little tacks in there. Okay, so that one's done. Just clean my tip real quick. Pretty good glob. That's on there. All right. Let's look on the other side. As I touch this to it, I want it on there. So let's see the LED screen going already. I'm gonna wedge this thing down. Something heavy. There we go. That should keep it touched. A little bit more solder on that. That's good. It's not like it's gonna move around in there or nothing. Let's see how we did. That looks good. That's solid. All right, here's our screen. Let's hit the button. Oh, it's lit up. Yeah, we got double zeros. So maybe it just needs to get charged. We'll see how that goes. This little button thing here. Make sure that's in there good. And then, you know, we should probably cover that up, those little top parts, with Kapton tape. Okay. Here's our button. Let's try and get this circuit board in there. Okay. And then our button should hit the, yep, and there it goes. Okay, so it is working. Let's see if they're lined up. I suppose so. Well, that should at least keep the button in place. Stop that from falling out all over. Okay. Good. Alright, now I just kind of crunch the battery up in here somehow. Alright, I got a little portable charger here. Let's see if it'll charge. Okay, what is it saying? Oh good, it's saying in, and it's at 75%. So good. I wonder if that kind of activates the battery. Probably supposed to charge this to 100% now, but I wonder if I unplug it, will it still say 75% when I hit the button? So let's wait for that to kind of go back to sleep. Okay, so it's back to sleep now. Let's hit the button and see if it says 75%. Yes, it still says 75%. Let's see. I got all the screws in there. Everything's looking good. There. There we go. Okay. That's good. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, look at that. Oh, now everything just fits. Now that'll go in there. And that'll go in there. Sweet. And we're good again. And now we hit the button. It shows 75%. And now should be able to look at that. Wirelessly charges. Perfect. We're back. Well, okay. That wasn't too bad. Yeah, I mean, it was like $10, I think, for the battery on AliExpress. And just make sure you get the right size. Look how bloated the other one was. I mean, that's kind of crazy. But yeah, I guess you didn't need the circuit protection board. Hopefully, I'll let you know if it blows up. But yeah, maybe keep this thing going for a while, and use it some more. But if you guys like this type of video, let me know in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll do something again later on. Later.